Oh my god, you guys, I got something from Fendace. Stay tuned to find out what it is. It's very colorful, I can tell you that. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Ever since I learned about Fendace from Cassie Thorpe, my hero here on YouTube, at least in terms of contemporary, very cool fashion, I've been looking forward to the release, and I've wanted to pick something up from the collection. So when it finally dropped, and I heard about it by accident, I hadn't even put the date on my calendar or anything. When I heard it was about to drop, like the day before it did drop, I signed up for early notification with Fendi and Versace. I set the timer on my phone, and I was there. I was ready at 7 a.m. I think it was that it dropped, where I am. Because of that, I was able to score exactly what I wanted. Well, almost exactly what I wanted, but I'll talk about that in a minute, because there was a little bit of disappointment. But anyway, I got a peek of what's inside this box. Whew, it's so nice. Open this up. Look. Okay, I know we've probably all seen several Fendace videos at this point, but it's still exciting to see this stuff in person. Is there anything in here? I think so. Here's a little black envelope that says Versace on the back. I assume this is my receipt. Let's see, a little black card that says Versace. It has the Medusa head. Oh, this says, thank you for shopping at Versace.com. So I did get this from the Versace side, not from the Fendi side. We're delighted that you're a part of the world of Versace. Slip that back in there. And then there's also this envelope, which also comes with this envelope. Okay, I should come closer so you can see this packaging a little better, because it is something special. I have these two envelopes. I'm excited to get these paper envelopes because I can take these and use them in my planner. Let's see here. Let's look in the big one first. This says packing list, and it has a return label. Okay, you don't need to see all the personal information on there. So this must be my receipt then. This one is actually sealed. The others were not. I have to tell you, for the sake of full disclosure and honesty and all that stuff, I've had this package. See, I think I got it last Thursday, and I'm filming this on Sunday, so that many days. And I haven't been that excited to open it. But now that I am opening it, I'm seeing this stuff in person, I'm getting excited again. Okay. Ooh, what is all this fun stuff? They sent me stickers. I got stickers. Are they sending that to everybody? I don't remember Cassie getting stickers that she purchased in person. Oh my gosh, I got so many stickers. I could sell all these and make back what I spent on the item, but I won't do that. Got some little FF stickers, a couple of those, two little Fendace rectangle stickers. I got, whoops, these two big FF stickers. I got two Medusa head stickers. Can you see those? They're trying to get one where it's not all glary. There we go. Two Medusa stickers. Oh, two smaller ones fell on my foot, and two larger Fendace labels. That's a lot of stickers. I'll use some of these in my planner. The rest I should what? Put them all over the windows of my car? I could have a Fendace car. I just need to paint it black, and I have silver trim right now, so I'll have to paint that gold. Yes, that's what I'll do. That'll be perfect. All right, in the box. Hello, can we both get in here? Probably not. Let's just focus on this. There's Fendace tissue paper. Open that up. Such nice packaging. Oh, that was my alarm if you heard that. Set for 6 o'clock Central Time. That's actually set for 5:59. And I have my alarm set for twice a day when the RealReal does their drops. Twice a day. Sometimes there are items that you have to snatch up immediately because they're great bargains, or, hold on, I accidentally started my Hulu up. I have to go pause that. Where's my RealReal tab? There it is. They're great deals, or they're hard to find items, so I try to check exactly at the 2 times that the RealReal drops every day. So if there's something that I've been looking for and it happens to pop up, that maybe I can get it. I've been successful at that a few times. I know this is not what you came here to see, but I figured some of you might appreciate that information or that tip to set an alarm. All right, nothing today. Let's get back to Fendace. Where were we? I think we were right here, where I just found this Fendace sticker. That has tissue paper around my box. Pull the box out. All right. And there's the sides, so I can just slip the box out without having to undo the sticker. Oh my god, look, it's the Fendace box. It's so fun to see this stuff in person when you keep seeing it in videos and whatnot. This is the moment. We're removing the lid to reveal more Fendace tissue paper. As suspected, eh? Here we go. I should hold it up where you can see it well. It's part of my job here on YouTube. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Slid over a little bit. It's all right. Let's open it up. Let's get it out of the plastic. I'm gonna go back there so you can see the whole thing when I unfold it. Okay, let's try to unfurl this in a I don't know, fun, elegant manner. Let's see if this will work. It deserves to be unfurled in a fun and elegant way, does it not? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, that worked well. All right, this is, ooh, it's got some big tags on it. Here's the whole thing. Obviously it's a scarf. It's the 90 by 90 centimeter square silk scarf from Fendace made by Versace. Isn't that beautiful? I'll bring it closer so you can see it closer. Here it is. It has very colorful FFs in the background, and then it has the Versace Baroque pattern around the border and across the body of the scarf. It's really pretty. I love the multicolor FFs that are in the background. The Baroque is a little not me so much. I've always really liked that style. I just don't think it's me. And here is the bottom panel of it, or the bottom part of it. So you can see the whole thing. It's a rainbow. And here are the tags. So it says Fendace made in Italy. And then it has this larger tag here that's actually, looks like 3 pieces. This is a Medusa head sticker. It says Versace, tap NFC Medusa tag to verify your product's authenticity. That's pretty cool. So that little QR code there. And then it has a serial number and some other numbers. Gianni Versace has the address in Milan, made in Italy in many languages. Looks like the model number 1001800 or 600. I can't tell. I looked under a magnifying glass. It's a 6. And then attached there is this Fendace tag. Has Fendace on both sides. And then this little tag inside, and that's it. So I said earlier I got exactly what I wanted, but I didn't really get exactly what I wanted, and there was a little sadness and disappointment at the drop. That was because what I wanted was one of these big 90 centimeter scarves, and I did love this pattern. Of all of the things they released, the ones with the rainbow print were my favorite, on bags too. However, there was something in the runway show that was the scarf I really wanted, but it looks like they didn't end up releasing it, at least not in the States. Here, I'll put a picture of it. It was this one. It's very similar to this in that it has the Baroque from Versace, but it had a blue leopard print, and I really loved that. And they do have that print on a few other pieces, on mostly clothing items, but they didn't release the scarf. And now that I see the collection listed item by item and not just on models, it looks like that piece wasn't even a 90 centimeter scarf alone, that it was attached to a hat, and that I would not have wanted. So as I was scrolling through, I saw they had a few scarves and some on the Fendi side as well. I'm showing this to you upside down at the moment. They also had a few twillies, but this was far and away my favorite. I think I checked later that day and it was sold out, and every time I've looked at it since then it's been sold out. So I'm very lucky to have this. And just so you see both sides, the other side looks exactly the same but backwards. Once you see it in person, you'll see that the sides, here I may be able to show this to you up close. I don't know how clear this will be on camera, but this side over here is the front of the scarf, and then this side is the back. The colors on the front are more vibrant and brilliant, and that would be because the colors were printed on the front, but you can see them on the other side. So there's more pigment on the front. One of my concerns with this was the texture and weight of the silk, because I've been purchasing some Hermes scarves lately, and their scarves they're unique. If you're into scarves, you can tell the difference between the Hermes silk and silk from other places. The closest thing I've found outside of Hermes to an Hermes scarf is silk scarves from Salvatore Ferragamo. Like my Gucci silk scarf, it's thinner than the Hermes ones. It's more slippery, and when I wear that one, I'm constantly having to adjust it. I have to adjust the Hermes scarves too, but their silk is a little heavier. It's a little more stiff, at least at first, and I find that they stay in place better and I don't have to adjust them as much. So I was wondering how this would compare, and I think it's somewhere in the middle. It feels like it's not as thin and slippery as the Gucci scarf, but not quite as thick and structured as the Hermes scarf. So just a quick try on here to see how this would be, and I've still got the tags on it, so it'll be a little difficult to tie it, but try to ignore the tags. But here's one look and how that would look folded. It's always helpful, I think, to see how a scarf looks worn in different ways, because a lot of scarves will have a design on them. If you have it up where you can see the entire thing, you know, maybe it has one big horse on it or something, but if you wrap it around your neck like I just did, you can't tell it's a horse, right? In this case, it's covered in pattern. There is some more specific imagery, like these cupids in the center there, but overall this scarf is going to look great any way you wear it because it's a pattern, and the pattern is pretty consistent across the whole scarf, so you're really not going to lose the imagery that you have when it's laid out flat. Does that make sense? And because it's the rainbow, you can get a few different looks. Like the way I had it a second ago, you mostly saw pinks, and now I've folded it a different way and you see more blue and green. And I thought that was one of the great things about this particular scarf, having all those colors, which are really beautiful and springy, and also could work great for Pride Month in June. But I thought it would go with lots of different colored tops and outfits and dresses and things as well. So it's pretty versatile in that way. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Thank you for sharing this fabulous moment with me. It is not often that I'm able to pick up something brand new from a brand new, very desirable collection. This is a rare thing. I appreciate you joining me. Before we go, share with me, did you get anything from the Fendace collection? If you did, what did you get? Did any of you get this piece or another scarf? Or was there something you wanted to get, but it was sold out or it didn't get released? Isn't that frustrating? Anyway, tell me your Fendace story below. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you back here next time, and I do hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.